पता नहीं मैम।
First question: What was strange about the physical appearance of Einstein? बताओ.
The
What was strange
His head was too large.
about? Yes, Pragya. Your answer is correct. क्या strange thing था उसका physical appearance में? हाँ? Head was large. So head was larger than his body. That is the okay. Head was उसका सिर जो था वो कंपेयर टू बॉडी जो है वो थोड़ा बड़ा था. यही था उसका. What is the meaning of freak? Freak means
Person who unusual and doesn't behave like others.
unusual behavior. क्यों सिर्फ प्रज्ञा आंसर दे रही है, बाकी लोग नहीं पढ़े हैं? हाँ,
मैम सिलेबस नहीं पता था।
कल बताए थे. कैसे नहीं पता था? कल हम तुमको होमवर्क भी दिए हैं कि पढ़ के आना है. हाँ,
कल मैम नेटवर्क एरर।
network error. Video I had sent. Who is a freak? Okay, even if you haven't studied, you can concentrate. It is a revision class. Why did Einstein's mother call him a freak? Why did Einstein's mother call him a freak? Number one.
with his other friends.
Huh? Common sense says
Because at the age of two and a half, Einstein still wasn't talking.
call him freak. Because his behavior was strange. He was different from other children. He was different from other children.
Good morning, ma'am.
He did not mix up with children. He talked very less. Huh? These are the unusual things about him. Huh?
Good morning, ma'am.
Unusual thing about him was that
Good morning,
he
ma'am.
did not mix up with the other children. He did not mix up with the other children.
Ma'am.
And he did not mix up with the other children.
Hello.
Okay. Third question.
Hello.
At what? Rishabh Ranjan, keep your mouth shut. Every class you keep on disturbing. You answer the question. At what age Einstein learned speaking? Rishabh Ranjan, answer karo. Beech mein disturb. Rishabh Ranjan, I'm asking you. Rishabh, answer the question. What age did Einstein learn speaking? आंसर करने में नहीं मुंह खुलता है, डिस्टर्ब करने में सबसे आगे. Who will answer? At what age Einstein learned speaking?
Ma'am, may I?
2 years.
Okay,
11.
answer.
2.5 years.
Yes.
11.
2.5 years.
2.5 years. Yes, Anushka, your answer is correct. He learned speaking at the age of 2.5 years. Then what was Einstein called by his friends?
Brother boring.
Brother boring.
Yes, very good. Einstein was called brother boring by his friends. And why did they call him brother boring? क्या कारण था कि उसको?
Because he was boring.
हाँ?
Because he
And
was
Einstein did not do what to do with the other child.
Twice.
एक कोई ध्रुव आंसर करो. ध्रुव
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Because he repeated every word twice.
Why was he called? नहीं तो वो दो बार बोलता था
Ma'am,
हर
may I
वर्ड, तो
answer?
उसके कारण थोड़ी ब्रदर बोरिंग बुलाते थे.
Ma'am, Einstein did not know what to do with other children.
Yes, ma'am.
He did not talk and mix with them. उनके साथ बात नहीं करता. अब कोई आके चुपचाप बगल में बैठ जाएगा, कुछ बात ही नहीं करेगा, कुछ शेयर ही नहीं करेगा, तो उसको लोग क्या बुलाएंगे? Boring person. That was the reason why they called him boring, because he never talked with them, he never shared anything with them, and he never mixed up with them. Then what did Einstein's principal comment about him? What did Einstein's principal comment about
He will
him?
never make us. He will never
Doesn't
make a
mean-
success at everything.
Einstein choose a profession wouldn't matter, but he will never make success at anything.
Anushka, you answer. Anushka,
Yes, ma'am.
answer. What did Einstein?
He will never make a success at anything.
Yes, very good. He will never make a success at anything. वो कुछ भी प्रिंसिपल ने कमेंट किया कि वो कुछ भी करे, कि वो किसी भी चीज में सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो पाएगा. He will never make a success at anything. Then what did Einstein's principal comment about him? That whatever profession he will choose, he will not be successful at anything. Whatever profession he will choose, he will not. Rishabh Ranjan. I will send this recording to principal sir specially. He can see what you are doing. Okay. Then what kind of relation did Einstein have with his teachers? What kind of relation?
He don't have a friendly relation with his teachers. He was had a quarrel with his teachers. Don't
Supriya,
like.
answer karo, Supriya. What kind of relation he had with his teachers? Supriya? Did he have good relation with his teachers? Supriya, can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
आंसर करो, सोच के आंसर करो. Hello, who can answer?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Pragya,
he
not
did not
Pragya.
have good relation
Advait
with his
answer.
teacher.
Advait, you answer. Advait.
Ma'am, he did not have. Yes, ma'am. He did not have good relation with his teacher.
Yes, did not have good relation.
he always clashed with his teachers.
Clashed. क्या word use हुआ है?
Clashed.
Clashed. Did not have good relation. Clash means what? He argued. मतलब लड़ाई करना मतलब क्या? टीचर से हाथापाई तो नहीं करते होंगे. तो
No, ma'am.
he did not have good relations. He clashed or argued, anything you can write.
Yes.
You can write clashed or argued with his teachers. Okay. Then next question. Why did Einstein leave the school in Munich? Why did Einstein leave the school in Munich?
Because he did not like school's regimentation.
Very strict teachers in the school.
And he was suffocated.
Yes, very good. He did not.
By the strict rule.
Reason for leaving school. What was it? Leaving.
What, ma'am?
You have.
At the school's
like-
regimen.
Did not. Regimentation means what?
Ma'am,
Did not
some
like-
regulations.
Ma'am,
Order or
Anushashan.
discipline.
Anushashan.
Discipline.
Anushashan. Yes, very good. He did not like the strict discipline. He was like you students only. Do you like strict discipline?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, did not like strict discipline, felt suffocated. He felt suffocated in the atmosphere of the school. So he left the school. So the reason for leaving the school in Munich is that he did not like the strict discipline of the school, and he felt suffocated. And where did he go and take admission after leaving Munich?
In Switzerland.
Zurich.
Switzerland.
University.
Switzerland. What was the difference between the school in Munich and the school in Switzerland?
It was
More liberal than Munich. More liberal than
Switzerland.
Munich.
Joined the Switzerland school. Switzerland school, which was more liberal. स्विट्जरलैंड के स्कूल में उतना स्ट्रिक्ट डिसिप्लिन नहीं था. In the school in Switzerland, the atmosphere was more liberal. The students were given a certain amount of freedom, a little bit of freedom, not very strict. Then, whom did Einstein meet in college?
Mileva Merrick.
अविनाश आंसर करो. अविनाश कुमार. अविनाश
Mileva Merrick. Mileva Merrick.
in college. Okay. Mileva
Merrick.
Merrick. So Einstein met Mileva Merrick in college. Then what was common between Einstein and Mileva?
Both have a same way of thinking.
Both love physics.
Same interest in other fields.
Same interest in the physics.
Avinash answer karo. Avinash.
Both have a same interest.
Both had same interest. Okay. Both had common interests.
Interest in physics.
Common interest. So apart from interest in physics, what was their common interest?
In music.
Yes, very good. This is correct answer. Both had common interest in.
मैम एक और कारण होगा.
क्या बोलो?
Like Einstein, Mileva two opposed the people who thought that
So
regimentation was bad.
This is the second point. Now, both had common interest, both had interest in physics. That is one point. And the second point is that though they had scientific inclination means jhukao, both were interested in physics. And apart from that, they were also interested in art and music. So that was common between them, that they had a scientific inclination as well as they also were interested in art and music. So that is why they got attracted. What is the meaning of ally?
From a friend.
Friend.
Ally means friend, companion.
Of friend
Okay.
or an
Ally means
associate.
friend or companion.
Associate.
What was common between ये तो हो गया ना. When did Einstein get his first job? What did
1909 at the age of
1902. 1902.
1902.
When did
1902.
get his first job? When did he get his first job?
1902, ma'am.
Okay, 1902. What was the job?
as a technical
Technical expert
Present office in band.
command.
and technical assistant.
Technical assistant. Okay. So after passing out from college, he did not get a job immediately. तुरंत job नहीं मिला. First he worked as a lab assistant. Huh? You remember? Did he get a job immediately? No, he did not get a job immediately. First he gave tuitions for a few years, and after that in 1902 he got his first job. What was Einstein's desk drawer called?
Bureau of Theoretical
Bureau of Theoretical Physics.
Bureau of Theoretical
Shreyash, answer karo. Shreyash. What was Einstein's Shreyash?
and Bureau of Theoretical Physics.
Bureau of Theoretical Physics.
Yes. Bureau. Question mark put gaya. What was Bureau? B-E-R-E-A-U. Bureau of Theoretical Physics. Bureau of Theoretical Physics. Why was it called so? क्योंकि आइंस्टाइन के ड्रॉअर में सिर्फ फिजिक्स के पेपर रहते थे. Okay. Why was Einstein's drawer called Bureau of Theoretical Physics? Because
His ideas is
which were the papers found? Only papers related to physics. That is why his desk drawer was called Bureau of Theoretical Physics. Then how can you describe Einstein in 2 words? Which 2 words can you use to describe him?
Genius.
Yes.
2 adjectives.
And ma'am, extraordinary. Art lover.
Talented and genius.
Kind-hearted.
ये तो genius, talented, ये एक पार्ट हो गया personality का. So he was very
kind-hearted.
Art lover.
Okay, art lover.
Hard working.
Peace loving.
Music
okay,
lovers.
na? Okay. Did he want to use scientific inventions?
Hard worker.
Hardworking, yes. So, did he want to use scientific inventions for destructive purposes?
No, ma'am.
Not in scientific
He believed.
purpose for
Yes.
He wants peace.
So he wanted to use scientific inventions just for peaceful purposes, for the benefit of mankind. He did not want to use scientific inventions for destructive purposes. He did not want to use the scientific inventions for any destructive purpose. Then why was Einstein's mother against the marriage of Mileva
Because Mileva and 3 years older than her son.
Can I answer?
Okay, रुको,
Can I
अविनाश
answer?
आंसर करो, एक आंसर करो, अविनाश.
Because Mileva was 3 years older than her son.
Why was Einstein's mother against their marriage? Because she was
Mileva
older than
was
her
3
son.
years older than her son.
There was one more reason.
She is a him.
And he was bothered by Minerva's intelligence.
Ma'am says book like.
एक तो she was older than her son, one reason.
And she was book like her
Was
son.
also bored.
Can go longer.
Is like she was also bored by Mileva intelligence.
Intelligent. She was
And she
intelligent.
could not go more longer
She was
than 2 years.
intelligent. She was
She could not
intelligent.
be a
दूसरी बात क्या थी?
she could not be a better housewife.
She would not be a good housewife. She was intelligent. She would not be a good housewife. आइंस्टाइन की माँ का ऐसा सोचना था कि those who are in means those who are very talented, they will not be happy. They will not be content, remaining confined to the house, isn't it? If someone is very talented, that person will want to do something extra. That person will not be satisfied living in the four walls of the house. So that was the reason she guessed that Mileva will not be happy just being a housewife, because she was intelligent like her own son. She was a book like her own son. So she had this intuition. What crisis did Einstein face in his personal life? Crisis, you know?
दिक्कत
Problems.
परेशानी, बुरा समय, क्राइसिस किसको कहते हैं? आइंस्टाइन के पर्सनल लाइफ में कोई दिक्कत आई?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
क्या दिक्कत आई?
He always fight with his. Ma'am, he always fight her wife.
In 1900, he left his wife.
He was constantly fighting with her wife. His wife.
Divorced in
They finally
1919.
divorced in 1919.
मैरिज फॉल्टर्ड, शादी जो है वो सही नहीं चला. Marriage faltered, did not have good relations with his wife. So professionally he was rising. His journals were becoming very famous. He was becoming world famous. But what was going on in his personal life? He was not having a happy marriage. So professionally,
मैम अटेंडेंस हो गया.
अटेंडेंस नहीं हुआ है. ले लो कोई. ध्रुव अटेंडेंस ले लो.
मैम ले लीजिए ना अटेंडेंस.
मैम मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा.
अच्छा ठीक है, मैं ले लेती. ओके, 10 मिनट टाइम है, हम ले लेंगे. So what crisis did Einstein face in his personal life? His marriage faltered. He did not have good relations with his wife. Then how can you say that Einstein was a peace-loving person?
What, ma'am?
How can you say that Einstein was a peace-loving person?
He was against the use of nuclear weapon.
Was
Even
peace-loving.
wrote a letter to the American president.
He was against arms. He was against the use of atomic bombs. Use of भाव्या नहीं है ना, वो ले लेते. अच्छा, हम ले लेते. He was against the use of atomic bombs. And what did he do? To whom did he write a letter?
He wrote a letter.
He wrote a letter in which he discussed that he was a peace lover.
He wrote a letter. To whom did he write the letter?
Ma'am, American president.
American president.
American President Franklin D.
American
Roosevelt.
president.
He wrote a letter to the American President Franklin D. Roosevelt. Franklin D. Roosevelt. Okay. And what do you mean by amateur? I told you the meaning of the word while teaching the chapter.
Doing something for personal enjoyment rather than as a profession.
Bhavya is there. Bhavya, you take the attendance. Bhavya, can you hear me?
आप ही बना दीजिए ना.
Yes, ma'am.
हम ही ले
Yes,
लें.
ma'am.
Hello.
मैम आप दे दीजिए.
Ma'am,
Okay. Amateur means what?
Doing something for personal enjoyment rather than as a profession.
So yes, amateur means something that you do for personal enjoyment, not as a job. मतलब आप पैसा कमाने के लिए वो काम नहीं करते हैं. आप तो
rather than as a profession.
yes.
मैम हो गया अटेंडेंस.
To do something just as pleasure or as hobby, not for earning money.
हम अटेंडेंस लिए.
हाँ ले.
हम
He's so
जल्दी
worried
ले लीजिए
about
क्लास लीव
attendance.
करना. हम क्लास लीव करना.
To do something for किसको क्लास लीव करना. Do something for. Okay, I have.
Have you taken the attendance?
Yes. Okay. To do something for.
मैम कल जो आप फॉर्म भेजे थे उससे
क्या? हाँ फॉर्म जो
कल
भेजे थे. हाँ क्लास 9B students. Those who have not filled up the form, you fill it up because it is necessary for registration. क्लास 9 में तुम लोग का 10th में जो बोर्ड अपीयर हो गए उसके लिए registration takes place in class 9. So you fill up the form.
मैम उसमें मेरा नाम नहीं.
क्या? हर्ष, उसमें हम भेजे हैं, उसमें तुम लोग को खुद से फिल अप करना है. और जो लोग those of you who don't have the Aadhaar card, you can at least apply for it and you'll get an enrollment number. For the time being, you can write that enrollment number. If you don't have the
Yes,
Aadhaar card, get yourself enrolled at least. Apply करोगे, जैसे ही apply करोगे तो enrollment number मिलेगा 12 digit का. तो जब तक आधार कार्ड का नंबर नहीं आता वो एनरोलमेंट नंबर दे देना. इज इट क्लियर?
मैम नंबर चेंज करना था मैम.
नंबर चेंज करना था तो वो फिर से कर दो. ये करके नहीं हो रहा है.
मैम हो जाएगा.
हाँ तो कर दो. पेरेंट्स का एंड यू शुड गिव द मोबाइल नंबर ऑफ योर पेरेंट्स.
यस मैम. मैम मैं पर्सनल अपना दे दिया था.
पर्सनल कैसे दे दिया स्कूल के?
हाँ गलती से हो गया था.
गलती से हो गया तो उसको फिर से कर देना, उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
मैम मुझे लगा क्या ओटीपी भेजेगा. अपने फोन से कर रहा था तो इसलिए.
क्या?
मैम मुझे लगा तो ओटीपी भेजेगा इसलिए मैम मैंने अपने
नहीं.
इसलिए या मैम नहीं ओटीपी तो नहीं.
नहीं बस to do something for enjoyment, not for earning money. What is the meaning of? Okay. Why did Einstein enter politics?
To stop the use of nuclear weapons.
To motivate peace.
To arm buildup.
To motivate peace.
To campaign against the use of arms.
Ma'am, to motivate peace.
To campaign against use of arms. वही हो गया. Against the use of arms means what? To against the use of arms. It means the same thing. मतलब वेपन नहीं यूज
मैम
करना
अटेंडेंस
मतलब
हो
क्या?
गया?
हाँ हाँ हो गया,
अटेंडेंस
हाँ हो गया।
मैम उसमें रोल नंबर 3 का नहीं था।
हाँ
मैम उसमें रोल नंबर 3 का नहीं था।
कौन है रोल नंबर 3?
मैम हर्ष।
ठीक है जोड़ देंगे। ओके। Whom did Einstein marry after divorcing Mileva?
His cousin
Mileva's
Elsa.
cousin Ilsa.
Whom did Einstein marry after divorcing? Whom did Einstein marry
Einstein married his cousin Elsa the same year.
एक मिनट बोल दे।
He married his cousin Elsa. ELSA. Okay. Tomorrow you revise the poem Wind. Tomorrow we will revise the poem Wind. Is it clear?
इन बस 2 ही चैप्टर आएंगे ना?
हाँ 2 ही आएगा।
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Okay.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Have a nice day,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
लिटिल गर्ल
Ma'am?
नहीं है, लिटिल गर्ल नहीं है, बस ये truly beautiful mind and wind. Only 1 chapter and 1 poem.
Okay, ma'am.
And tomorrow I want all of you to answer. Only few
Okay,
students
ma'am.
are answering.
Yes, ma'am.
We will try, ma'am.
चार आंसर करते हैं।
We'll
सब
try our best.
practice करना।
किसी को पता है?
अब बोलो।
साइंस का पोर्शन पता है?
किस साइंस का?
अभी
साइंस
नहीं
का?
बताया।
साइंस का
अभी नहीं
हाँ।
पता क्या?
अभी नहीं पता है, वही पता नहीं है।
करंट
2 दिन जब पता चल जाएगा तो बता देंगे।
ठीक है। जयवर्धन क्या हुआ? जयवर्धन नहीं बोला तुमने अभी?
And
नहीं
it is essential to appear in the examination. Miss मत करना कोई।
ओके मैम।
ओके मैम।
मिस मत
We
करना।
will try, ma'am. Song बजाए। नहीं पड़ेगा इतना तो बोलो ठीक है। हाँ तुम आम रोज करते।
हमारे से आवाज कहाँ है? नहीं आ रहा।
हाँ मीटिंग तो देख लो। जस्टिन बीबर का मैं मस्ती करती हूँ, हम चले गए 7 बाद 5 मिनट बात है। अनुज
क्या हुआ? क्या हुआ?
तुम अंग्रेज है ना?
आए?
अनुज अंग्रेज है, सुन रहे हैं।
क्या?
सब सारा अंग्रेज चला गया, बस अनुज बच गया।
Oh.
बताओ तो कौन सा सिंगर का सॉन्ग है?
सुनाई नहीं दे रहा अभी।
सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है?
नहीं।
अपना